Hey everybody, Chris here. Today we're gonna fire up the grill and we are gonna make some Mexican-inspired vegetable bowls. This dish is vegan, very allergy friendly in a lot of ways, and it's very easy to make. The star of the show, a fire roasted salsa we're gonna make on the grill, and you're gonna wanna make extra because you're gonna want it all week long. Let's get going. First thing we wanna do, prep all the vegetables for the grill. I've got some tomatoes here that are very imperfect. One of them, got smashed in the bag because it's really ripe, and a lot of them are wrinkly. I chose these specifically because I'm making salsa. If you're going to use vegetables in this type of way, get the less than perfect ones. No one's gonna notice, and that will help your grocery store cut down on waste. Vegetables here split into basically two groups. We have the stuff for our salsa and the stuff for the bowl itself. I'm going to cut up and skewer a lot of the vegetables for grilling, and then we'll toss the tomatoes and some things into this pot that will just go right on the grill, and we'll get all that smoke flavor in there. But some of the ingredients for the salsa will also get skewered to get some extra char on there. So we're going to prep all those things, get them ready, get them cooking. The blender we're going to use to make our salsa, we're going to toss the rest of the vegetables with the spinach. Anything green, so the jalapenos and the poblanos, goes in here to await the tomatoes. Everything else right in here on top of the spinach. And the heat will kind of wilt it, and we'll toss it around. This dish is so good. It seems like a lot of steps, but they're super simple and really building flavors all throughout the process. No meat, no dairy, no grain, gluten, no soy, anything like that. Very allergy friendly for a lot of people. Give it a try. The full recipe is linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.